Good evening, teacher, and good evening to all my beloved classmates. And now let me introduce ourselves. That my name is Vanessa Darwin.
My name is Trasaphon.
Now we would like to do the presentation that talk about advantage and disadvantage of learning a second language. But my friend is talk about disadvantage and I'm talk about advantage. Yes, as we all know, learning second language is really important for us because it can help us to communicate with other person and to find for a better job. It also gives us the opportunity to move to other place, and to communication with other foreigner. Yes, learning second language can help us developing a new vocabulary that we should be used in our everyday life, and it also helps us to understand more about the language that we want to do the communication with other foreigner. Like it's more easier when we speak the grammar correctly. And remember that learning second language will let you travel all over the world and easier than you don't study about other language. And internationally, since all kind other than one language are spoken all over the world, the job you will get the job that gives you a high salary or high paying that you deserve it from your hard working, your ability, and what you have trying hard for learning. Thank you. Now I want my friend to continue.
Thank you, my friend. Let me continue the topic of disadvantage that talk about learning a second language. Learning two language is a factor that can give us good result and bad result. For example, we study Khmer and English every day. However, some negative aspect of learning two language can cause us stress during our studies. We need to spend a lot of time we need to spend a lot of time thinking about our daily studies. If we focus too much on one language, it can lead to us losing the ability to speak national language. Thank you, teacher, and thank you, my friend, for listening to the topic.